Ayun na. We're here at Shambala Silang. What's up, Pilipinas? Shambala Silang. Oh, saan ba entrance? Dito o dito? Dito ba? O doon? I think you have to sign up here. May car plate. Dito ba ang daan? Or doon? Walang tao. Entering an art zone. Walang guard.
Okay, basta drawing ko?
Ay, ikaw ba sarang drawing nun?
Andito ko yung mayari. Si Ma'am Risa.
Kala ko ikaw talaga eh.
Ako po may gawa naman yun. Ito yung mayari. Si Ma'am Risa.
Pinainting. Ikaw ang paint yan. Talaga. Galing nga.
Yung mga gawa ko talaga sa comics kasi talaga.
Okay.
Hindi pala kayo sa arts na.
Ano na?
Hindi po kayo sa arts.
Naku, frustrated artist ako. Oo nga eh. Maguguhit ang tawag dyan.
Yung ibig sabihin.
Shambala Silang. Sir, sino may-ari talaga? Ano pangalan?
Si Ma'am Marisa po. Muyo.
Marisa Muyo?
Opo. Risa. Ano ko Marisa? Pero Ma'am Risa.
Pero nandito siya ngayon or... So makakausap namin.
Opo.
So,
Asawa siya ni Judge Muyot ng dating ano po ng Opo.
dating
Ano po dating
secretary?
Opo, secretary.
Talaga? So, nandiyan siya sa loob?
Nandiyan po.
So, ang daan po dito. Ayun. Behind, south. Residential tour. Uy, makakausap doon natin yung may-ari, nandyan. Dito ba? Tama ba? Ang daan natin? Let's go! Tingnan ko muna. This one. Manak Kitchen. Ayan. Wow!
Pasok po. Pasok po. Pasok po kayo. Dito po. Bakit ako ba? Sabi sa'yo, pagbaba mo. Number 3. Sabi yung influencers ko.
Do we have to sign up? Or...
Kami na, sir.
Okay
Kami na
na.
po. Opo. Diretso na po.
Yay!
Diretso na po kayo, sir.
Sige po, salamat. Uy. Nice. Hello po.
Morning.
Morning.
Pilipinas na dito para pinagin lang sila. Doon ko rin nakita yung basket na ganito.
Dito na ba tayo magla-lunch?
Yeah, that's it. Collection po.
O merienda lang?
Basket ng companies that was for them is very good, it's very expensive, ginagawa nila ang at ginagawa nila ang hindi talaga sa mga kasi ang family din very good at mainit
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, pakilala mo kayo, ma'am.
Yan, Risa Matibag Muyot from Shambala Silang, Living Heritage Center.
Ayun. Ma'am, gaano katagal na po itong Shambala Silang?
I bought the property 24 years ago in 2000, but I started the planting of all these plants last 2008. But we opened the gallery in November during the pandemic, and then the restaurant in 2021.
Then what inspired you to set up this place?
Well, I'm really into arts, culture, heritage, and plants, ecology. So, una, tanim-tanim lang muna. And then, since I'm also a collector of indigenous art and also contemporary arts, so eventually I put my collection here and it became a gallery in 2021 when Manila Art requested me to be the offsite exhibition of Manila Art kasi pandemic, so wala masyadong tao sa mall, so they decided to make this our gallery an offsite exhibition center for Manila Art.
Yung Manila Art po yung ginagawa sa SM Aura?
Yes.
Okay.
And so since then we have regular exhibition, so it's not only contemporary art. We brought here the Talaandig tribe for their soil painting. We have Janet Hanapi of the Chamamapun tribe for the mat weaving. So, siyang sikat na weaver. Meron kaming pottery. But this is parang an event. So, like a yearly event. We've also made this a gastronomy center where we founded the Filipino Gastronomy Center here in Shambala Silang with Ige Ramos. So we're doing like heritage indigenous food. So nandiyan yung aming tinatawag na naya-naya. Naya-naya means comfort and joy in sharing food. So meron kaming iba't ibang menu na like yung tianggang, chicken tianggang from Tausu and other then we concoct different like tea from the garden like Tarragon and Pandan tea, mga ganyan. So our juice, like for example, that's moringa or malunggay with calamansi, mga ganon. So we're also actually doing heritage cuisine and Filipino cuisine. Also drinks, and I'm also into planting medicinal and edible herbs, flowers. So we can also have sensory tours here.
So you're not just an artist, you're also a plantita. Ganun.
Even before the name Plantita was uso, I was already planting. So it was a long time ago. So all these trees, these Nara trees, we planted in 2008. The plants. And then you can have, you will discover here like plants that are edible that you think that they are just ordinary plants.
So parang kayo pala yung original OG ng mga plantita.
So they call me Plant Ninang. The Ninang. Hello.
Ayan, naging model pa tuloy kayo.
A painting. So, sandali lang. Ipapakita ko example. Quick tour lang. So, this is an example of a visual art, no? Visual painting. This was invented by Yel Castillo from Batangas. So, if you can notice, ito yung mga letters. Ako ay nasa timog, ikaw sa hilaga, ikaw ang kanluran, ako ang silangan. Sa akin ang araw, sa iyo ang magdamag, tubig kang malamig, apoy naman ako. Ganito kalayo, itong agwat natin, magkabilang dulo, itong mundo natin. Ngunit merong dagat sa ating pagitan na pinagtutong mga puso. Ang haba, ay, meron pa sa ilalim. Yeah, so that is an example
Pahaba
of
ang
the poetry
style.
in a painting. So lahat po ito ay mga, yes,
Lahat yung words yan.
mga words yan. So, and it is also can be parang musical notes din, pero letters.
Ano pangalan ng artist, ma'am?
L'Oreal Castillo, Yelcas.
Yelcas.
Oo. Isang multi-awarded artist. And this one is from Imus Cavite, Richard Doxani, a
Alin po?
sculptor.
Itong
Etong
metal-
rooster.
metal rooster.
This is a bronze rooster by Richard Doxani. So we are featuring Filipino artists. Okay?
Ma'am, are they for sale ba?
Yes, they are
Or-
for sale. So yung mga ano, so you can yes.
Kano daw?
I'm not sure of all the prices, but more or less, mga from, this one is mga 30,000 more or less.
Ah.
Okay, so this is one of our art galleries. And this is called our Mana Garden.
Mana Garden.
Okay, and then this is our Mana Kitchen. So the second gallery is upstairs.
Bakit po mana?
Mana from
Mana. Pamana. May 30,000 ka ba yan? Pero muna 30,000, bibili ko ng painting.
Another art gallery.
Galing naman, daming art.
Yeah.
Ma-arte kayo mga tao.
Yes.
So you can see, this is a Balinese painting from Bali, Indonesia. It's called the Dragon Dance.
Love it. Sumayaw yung dance.
Okay, so we also combine some
Dragon.
Chinese antiques, like those are Chinese antiques. Yeah.
Ito po, panels.
Not only these three panels are Chinese antiques.
Okay.
So, okay. Okay, this is an example for vloggers of one of our cuisine. Like for example, we have here kulawo. Kulawo is ginatang puso ng saging in smoked coconut milk. And you have like shrimp on it. Then you have this is our spring rolls. We have our caldereta. We have our chicken turmeric and others. So those are examples.
Yung mga naghahanap ng lumpia.
Filipino
Oo.
Kala po na
Kanina namin lumpia.
yung kanina.
Turon pala yun.
So this is one of our specialty, the kulawo, especially for vegetarian.
Mm,
Okay, so let's go up.
parang puso ng saging yun. Oh, ang bilis niya mamumakyat. Ang bilis niya mamumakyat eh.
Okay, so we have various artworks here from Filipino artists and some are Asian artists. Like this is from Bali, Indonesia. This is by Lydia Velasco, one of our senior female artists. And a lot more. These are from Angelo Baltimore. Those two as carvings. This has the Santo Niño.
Santo Niño.
The Santo Niño and
Sculpture yun.
yan.
Oh, alis ka.
Tungo niya kasi.
Alis ka.
So, we
Pinabahan
have
ako dun,
here
Sorry.
by Manny Kitibay. And we have potteries from Ugo Vigan.
For sale niya mga yan.
These are not from sale, for sale.
Collection.
Ano po yung person?
Yung mga nandito sa 7th floor are not storage.
Yung person.
So, if you know Claude Tayan, the famous chef,
Yes.
first of all, he's a fine arts graduate of UP, and these are his artworks in 1970s. This,
Parang
so that's from Claude Tayan.
Gumagawa rin pala si Claude ng ito.
And we have like excavated pottery from Batangas. More artworks from Filipino artists. This is from Popo San Pascual, this artwork. But some of the furnitures are Chinese antiques. So So we make this gallery like a Filipino house. It's not really a gallery na parang makikita nyo nakasabit artwork lang. But this is an example of a home with arts.
Ganda ma'am, ganda.
So these are some of the religious items.
Really.
And this one is also from Bali, Indonesia. And then you have the tapestry by Narda Kapuyan of Nardas. And another artwork, a crucifix
Uy, wow.
I love it.
by Alice Bagtas.
Uy, Aris Bagtas, kilala ko na.
Yeah.
Ayun.
Yeah, by Alice
Oh my
Bagtas.
God. Wow.
Yeah.
I'm a big fan.
Yeah.
Si Aris.
Alice Bagtas.
Di ba,
Yeah.
ma'am, karamihan
This
ano
is
siya?
Richard
Painting?
Boxani. This is the seven deadly sins. So you can see Michael cutting the heads of the seven deadly sins. Metal.
Metal.
Yeah. Okay. And this one is a very nice example of three arts in one. Okay. You have here a sculpture, ostrich egg sculpture. We have another poetry, and the wood sculpture by Agi Pagkatipunan, like a window, because the title of our exhibit is Dungaw, looking from the soul. And then this one is an ostrich egg by Danny Rice del Sol. And the
Ayan.
artwork is by Coblay Milan of Davao. Okay?
Kublay.
And my poetry.
Oh.
It's the same poetry that I recited, but it's a different medium. So like yan, ako yung nasa timog, ikaw sa hilaga, yan. Ikaw ang kanluran, ako ang silangan. Sa akin ang araw, sa iyo ang magdaman.
Sir, poetry pala.
Yeah, so I write poetry. So I collaborate with artists. Yung poetry with different kinds of art. So this is another type of art.
Kayo rin po nagsulat
Yes.
nito? Wow.
Yes.
Galing.
Ito, Aris Bagtas din to.
Yeah, it was a gift by Alice. Bagtas.
Alam ko yung style ng drawing niya.
Kapis.
So this is an example of a Filipino house, but the furniture and some of the artwork are Asian. So like these are Chinese antiques. This came from a door, and then it was converted into
Upscale.
table. Yeah. Then you have, but basically Filipino. So you can see the mixture.
How do you maintain this? Hindi siya pinapasukan. Oh, maganda.
So those are artwork by Jeff Bangot of Mindanao. So mga Mindanaoan artists, iba't iba. This one is by Paulina Constancia Lee from Cebu. She was trained in Mexico, that's why it's like a Mexican painting. So we don't have a lot of time, but I can explain each of the artwork. Yung may hilig sa art and painting, those who wants to.
Which one po dito yung pinakang, kumbaga, the top for you na artwork?
Wala, lahat sila collection ko eh. So lahat gusto ko.
Oh!
So it doesn't matter who the artist is. What matters is, may mura, may mahal. Pero actually, hindi naman natin nasusukat sa mura o mahal ang art eh. It's something that you like and it can make you happy. So anything that can,
So yung mga diners can come in?
Yeah. They can.
Parang, sorry ma'am,
That's
kasi
why
hindi ko-
the minimum hours na nandito yung mga diners is mga 4 hours. Because they tour around, commune with nature, and then appreciate the art. And then they can ask me how to collect arts, ganyan. So we also give workshop on art appreciation. We have
Ganda.
food, gastronomy. The Filipino Gastronomy Center is here, so we have activities on workshop on food also. Yeah.
Ma'am, may estimate kayo magkano yung
Total.
Okay, I will give you an example. The total lot area is 2 hectares, so 20,000 square meters.
2,000.
Right now, for residential, the zonal value is 5,000.
Wow.
Now, but if it's like this, it's around 20,000.
Wow.
So you multiply 20,000 by 20,000, it's 400 million.
Wow!
Just the lot, ha?
Lot pa lang yun.
Kasama yung mga structure.
Mm.
That's the current value. But of course, I
Value.
bought this a long time ago, 20 years ago.
And do not compute your collection. Itong pinakang rule sa mga collector, do not compute.
So you have Chinese antiques. So this is an example of Chinese antiques. Okay, the pottery, we have here from Ugo Bidian of Chang Quezon. Ito yung mga pottery niya. So ito yung sample ng kanyang mga battery, yung mga yan. Then some are from La Puebla, mostly are Japanese, but this one is from Sagada. These are all Sagada.
Yes, Sagada.
This is also Sagada. This is by Siegfried Bangay.
Ganda nga yun.
Yung malit pa nga rin na gano'n, mahal na eh.
Yeah. So yan, yung mga artworks natin.
Hindi ko alam museum pala.
Ha?
Art
And
gallery.
we have here also, like, I also collect musical instrument ethnic. So this one is a small Corinthian. So you have drums, also and other musical instruments. We have here paru.
Oh, wow.
So that is the labyrinth garden. So where they do the meditation walk. Labyrinth. There's it's a labyrinth with stone, etc. Yeah.
So pag diners ka dito, you can
Yeah.
use itong
Yeah.
ganda mong...
This is our artwork by Ben Cabrera. Ben Cabrera.
Wow.
Ben Cab? Mm.
Isabel.
The Sabel series.
Isabel series.
Yeah.
Uy, grabe, maliit pa lang yan. Magkano yan?
I will not ask for the price.
Oh, grabe. Yan ang wala ako sa bahay.
Anong nagkakalit ka? Anong kinukalit mo?
Yung mom ko kasi yung National Art Hoya.
Si Hoya. Okay.
Pero,
Mahal lang Hoya, 150 million. The highest sa mga
meron kami yung malaki.
Wow. Binta natin kay ano.
Malang.
Binenta ko ng mga malang ko.
Gusto kong ma-acquire Ben Cap and si
Sir Rizal ba to?
Okay, so if you look outside, ganyan yung itsura niya dati. Binili namin.
sa inyo rin yung buyo.
Hindi na. But yun, ganyan ang itsura nito before.
Pari siya.
Okay, so let's go to the gallery. The main gallery.
Ha? May main gallery pa? Wala ka pinta na yun.
Dito kayo mag-picture.
Hindi pa pala main to, no? Ano pa lang to? Preliminary gallery.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Na.
So, welcome to Tawid Gallery. I will take. Okay.
Tawid Gallery. Asa na ba, ma'am? Wow, ang ganda. Laki.
Okay.
Nice.
I will explain the whole concept.
Yun, ma'am.
Hintayin lang natin sila para isang installation.
Sige po.
Bukas ba yung mga bintana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, pasok na kayo kasi I'll do the explanation here. We'll start here.
Ma'am, pasay na kami.
Mamaya na paglabas.
Kahit pag lang.
Ito na lang para explain ko sa kanila. Okay? Everyone. So we start from here. This is called Tawid Gallery from the word pagtawid or crossing over. So the Tawid Gallery was inspired by this installation. Okay, this is an installation. So if you can see this one, anong makikita nyo? Ito, this is a carving of an Ifugao.
Mga bulol.
Okay, this is the procreation. So if you can see, it's the Kama Sutra, but at the center, at the middle is a mother with a child. Okay, so I thought this is the best representation of Earth, lupa. So Earth, no? So this is mula sa lupa papuntang langit. Okay, so this is the pagtawid. The symbol of journey or crossing over from earth to heaven is a big boat. And this is a real boat from Quezon province. This is a hull of the boat, of a boat. Okay? So, and then, those three are the bululs. Are you familiar with bululs? The Ifugao, god of harvest. So, I made this the representation of divine or heaven. So, it's like pagtawid mula sa lupa papuntang langit. Okay? And so, pagbalik mo from langit to lupa, meron tayong bench. Sino nakakaalam kung anong ibig sabihin? Kung ano to? Bench na to. So, this one is a hagabi. This is the symbol of wealth for the Ifugao. Pag mayaman ka sa Ifugao, meron kang ganito. Pag wala ka pang bench na ganito, hindi ka pa mayaman. Okay? So, sa status symbol. Okay. So, ang tawag dito ay hagabi. This is usually used for sleeping. So, they sleep like this. Like that. And since this is very ergonomic, I can even do my crunches here. Okay? So, this is also a ceremonial wedding bench. So, yung mga kinakasal, umupo dito. At the same time, this is the symbol of their generosity. Because, this is being made from the time na kinuha yung tree, up to the time na kinarve nila hanggang matapos, hanggang installation, there is a ritual. And they also have a feast called Uyaoy, o fiesta, where they feed the whole community. Kaya parang meron silang, generous sila pag walang taghirap, walang ani, gumagawa sila nito. Okay? And that one is a representation of a house. Yung ganon, no? And this one is the symbol of the royalty, the sun. And this is actually a pig, which they use for offering to their gods. Okay? But this is the third symbol of wealth. You have to have the first two before you can have this. No? So the first symbol of wealth is the kinabigat. The kinabigat is the post in an Ifugao hat. When they become richer, they have it carved. And then, pag kinakarve na yan, ganun pa rin, kailangan may ritual at kailangan ay mayroong papiesta, pakain. So, nakikita ninyo yung combination of creativity and spirituality with generosity. Kaya ang ganda ng kultura ng mga Ifugao. Okay, so the second symbol of wealth is the haldak, which is in the kitchen. So, this is the haldak. This one. Ganun din, may ritual, may pakain. So, mahal magpagawa niyan. So, that is the reason why this symbol of wealth are very expensive. Okay? So, ito yun. Okay? So, ito naman, ay from Mindanao. It's a Datu of the Obo Manobo tribe. This is Datu Ipe, who's a musician also. And this was photographed, at the same time painted, after photographing at the Kadayawan Festival. Bumaba yung, di ba, sa Davao may Kadayawan Festival. So, ito yon si Dato Ipe, who passed away during the pandemic. Okay? So, we have a lot of things here which I cannot, dahil hindi ko na ma-explain lahat. We have mga bladed weapons. These are their backpack. The things that they use at home, their kitchen utensils. We have their offering boxes. But one important thing is the fossilized clam. Taclobo. Yes, so this was found in Mountain Province. I was passing by on the road and I saw this. So it means that these are millions of years ago when Baguio or maybe the whole Philippines still underwater. Okay, so yeah. So these are some of the musical instruments. The gansa, the drums or sulibao in Ifugao. So a lot of indigenous And this one is another musical instrument, the native bamboo xylophone. Yeah. Okay, so, to continue with the installation, we have here wood, which 54 each, so 108. So what is the significance of this? This one symbolizes prayers. So di ba kanina, from earth to heaven, tapos heaven to earth, and then pabalik ulit, another way to go to heaven, this is a symbol of is through prayers. Because Shambhala, one of the inspiration of Shambhala is the book from James Redfield, The Secret of Shambhala, and it's about the Buddhists. So, kaya may Buddhism din, so I combine the prayers, the parang symbol of Buddha beads, and the Ifugao scarecrow, parang ganyan. So, and then, the bulbs are color arranged to signify fire. So, maraming symbolism. So, this antique floaters from the fish pen symbolizes water. So, we are inviting the elements of fire and water here. That's why most of them are doing their yoga and meditation inside here. Okay, and that's for spirituality. So, ito yung buong installation natin. So, and then after the installation, so ito yung ating pinaka notes for the installation. It's called Pagtawid. So it's I wrote this after we installed one dawn. So sinulat ko mula sa lupa, paano tumawid sa langit upang mapawid ang mga sakit mula sa langit, paano mayayakap ang lupa upang ipunla ang mga biyaya, ibulong sa hangin, isang daang panalangin, sa puso aanihin, katuparan ng mahilig. So this is the poetry about the whole installation.
Ganda.
Okay. And then these artworks are by Isa Rodelio. So if you will ask me how much, those small paintings only 12,500. So yun yung mga mura. those one.
About the chair.
It's not for sale. Okay. Something like that was auctioned in 2019 at the Leon Gallery. Initial price or floor price is 1 million. And the hammer price or the last price, it was sold for 18.5 million. Pag bibilhin mo ng discounted ka, sige, 10%.
Leon Gallery.
Then I can sell.
Kamali din yung 18 million.
That Haggabi.
Ay, ako sigurado.
Yeah. Okay, so marami pa dito yung mga sculpture. Okay, this is very important. Okay. These are bone containers. Alam niyo yung nagnganga sila, betel na chewing, so they use the apple. Yes. Okay, so these are the apple container. So these are bones. So sabi sa akin akala ko bones talaga. So sabi sa akin pumunta ditong isang chieftain from the Kalinga, Tibok Tabok tribe of the Kalinga. Some of these are bones of their ancestors. So, hindi ko alam po alin But when there's a funeral, they get the old bones, they clean it, they carve it. Because when they use the apple, when they're betel na chewing, so they feel that parang the spirits of their ancestors are being with them. That's one interpretation or belief. But then, si Marlon Martin, who is Ifugao anthropologist, told me, hindi totoo yun. Kasi hayop lang yun, kasi ayaw namin. But they have different tribes, so I don't know kung ano yung paniniwala ng Kalinga sa paniniwala ng Ifugao, baka magkaiba sila. So, depende siguro kung saan ang galing. But most of these are Ifugao, at saka most of these are small bones, so I think most are animals. But I don't know the bigger bones. Okay, so...
Parang pang...
Yeah. So, yan yung mga ibang collection.
So, it would make sense na animal nga.
Pwede. So, yun pa yung iba, pero these are woven by woven from grass. Tingnan mo, kasing laki siya ng hair lang, yung mga grass na ginamit to. So wala na daw wag naghahabi ng ganito. These are also, yeah, these are containers na lalagyan din ng apple. So ang materials niya, bones, tapos grass, and wood.
Naperson ko talaga yung grass.
Oo. Parang nito, yan, parang hindi naman siya nito, pero very maliit lang. Parang hair lang. Yan.
Mag-request lang picture.
Yeah, sure. Okay, this is the most photographed area.
Of
I
course.
will show you. These are the, yung mga photos dyan. Okay. Ito lang, di ba? And then, the way to do this, para makita mo yung yung pakita. Ito,
Pata